BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, July 6th, 2021. I am Piano Matty B, and this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. F-sharp minor, 7th, add 9. It's a mouthful, isn't it? It's a pensive, sad chord, ominous really. But the 7th and the 9th are like questions that need to be answered or resolved. It's a chord that wants to resolve to its relative major of A, which sounds nice, uplifting, one might say. Almost sounds like a reversal of sentiment, if it will. Or it can continue down to its tonal center of C-sharp minor. Kind of more sad and ominous, isn't it? Continuation, if it were. Our ears tell us whether it's happy or sad sounding, but it's really the numbers or the math that changes its sentiment. And that's the interesting correlation between music and how chords need and want to resolve. And how the market patterns need to change and resolve. Let's take a look at a chart pattern over at the daily chart. See what kind of patterns have emerged. So within our Chop Suey channel, we see what my old man would call a bear flag. This is a continuation pattern that signals the extension of a downward trend. It's traditionally a bearish continuation pattern. We see the flag's pole come down from our channel top of 41K to our channel bottom of 30K. From there, we see the buyers try to bring the price up, while the sellers drive it back down, up, down. It seems the buyers can get it up and slightly above the Uncle Fib 38% level of about 34.5. Before the sellers take her down just past another fib level of 23% or 32K. And when the 20-day moving average comes into play, that headwind starts to mess with the buyers, and they can't seem to break the Uncle Fib level of 50%. And now the 50% fib level isn't an actual fib level. I mean, it is, but it's more like a step brother. It's in the family, but it's not blood, but as such, it still gets a seat at certain family functions. Now, after a failed 3-soldier pattern, or what you might remember as a 3-drink minimum, we see the price go below the channel or flag at where? That's right, Uncle Fib's 38% level of 34.5. That curmudgeon's at every family function, usually drinking in the corner and eating all the fruit in the fruit platter, except for the green melon. But I mean, who eats the green melon anyway? When that price action breaks the channel, I like to confirm momentum with volume. If the volume's going up, that will negate the probabilities of a downward continuation. But in this case, we see volume and price action seem to be in cahoots, and as such, a higher probability of more downward action. But like I said before, these are all probabilities, not guarantees. Continues down, we can likely see a retest of an old low of 32K before it comes back again. These labels, bearish this, bullish that, they're all just labels till they're not. So today, let's keep our eye on this one. See how it plays out. But regardless, we're still sitting on a mountain of fundamental positive divergence. And that pressure is still underneath all these price patterns. And once it breaks, all bets are off. It will negate all chart patterns. Bearish, bullish. Doesn't matter. That fundamental positive diversion is what's going to move the market. So remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected elites. That's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Cha-cha-ching.